I would like to invite our viewers and a guest speaker to the sixth chapter of Saturday Trends named Skill Assessment. To all our first time viewers, we have started a series named Saturday Trends, where every Saturday we come up with a live session addressing our viewers and helping them to build a career path with the guidance of our experienced speakers. Well, I'm sure that most of us wonder regarding the skill sets that are required in order to excel in corporate world. So, in order to answer all our doubts and to guide us and enhance our skill sets, today we have with us our guest speaker Praful Mote, who is from computer science background. So, hello
Hello.
Praful, are you ready?
Yes, yes. Hello.
Yes. So,
I
let's
am ready.
begin. Yeah. Can you state a few mandatory skills required for the corporate world?
The corporate world is first of all very interesting. Everyone will get the chance to experience corporate world.
Hmm.
Corporate world itself defines that it is a different world from our regular world. So few of the terms that are needed to survive corporate world, it is like adaptability. You need to be adaptable enough to survive the um corporate world. Then you need to
Okay.
have observant qualities. You should be observant enough. And
Okay.
moreover, what I like to add up is communication is the most important factor that helps you to survive corporate world. Actually, it makes you convenient and easy to go through this corporate world, whereas you need to
Okay.
be having leadership qualities as well.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
These are few qualities
Absolutely.
which these are the few skills which are required.
Okay, yeah. And also, what are the few things that one can do to enhance their soft skills and hard skills?
See, when it comes to soft skill is the thing which you imbibe automatically, and uh, you get to know how you should behave or how you should treat other people. That is soft skills. And soft skills
Yes,
in
yes.
corporate world is it's very important. So what happens
Hmm.
is when you have the perfect soft skills, you are the right person to approach in corporate world. So soft skills enhance your personality in such a way that you become very important for your project or your team, or
Yes, yes.
whatever project you are in. So for to improve your soft skills is just that you need to be observant, because corporate world is being on continuously going on since more than 2 decades, and in these decades we can observe how corporate world goes, and then they already imply how soft skills should be. They already demand how one person should behave on floor, or how one person should react to certain situations on floor. So
Yes, yes.
most of it includes self confidence. You should be self confident enough. You should improve your self confidence to enhance your soft skills. Then you should be aware of whatever is happening socially and whatever is happening around you digitally, as we are
Absolutely.
speaking of corporate world. So digital awareness is way more important. And
Yes.
moreover, so you can always enhance soft skills when you are agile, like if you are adaptable, and if soft skills is a thing where you see and you learn. It is nothing that you
Yes,
can
yes.
you read it in book, or it's a code, or it's a formula or something like that. So it's always
Exactly.
with experience. Soft, it always comes with experience. So how you be with people, and the more you be with corporate people, the more you learn to get in this soft skill, and the more you learn to uh, have better soft skills. So communication, you improve being and getting and sitting with good people, or corporate people or business people. And then you get social awareness, and then you get confidence. Your confidence is boomed because of having
Yes,
talks with
yes.
these people. So these will definitely enhance you in developing your soft skills.
Yes, yes. So basically, having hard skills and soft skills makes one able to represent themselves well in a company. So, yeah, absolutely. Very well said. And one needs to adapt with the changes as well that happens in the corporate world. So, that brings us to my next question. Why is it always emphasized to have decent soft skills, and how does it matter? Like, more than the technical aspect, why is it always emphasized to have a decent communication in a company?
See, when it comes to decent communication, uh, because see, corporate world is not just about hard technical skills or hardcore technical skills. There comes a
Hmm,
part where you have to be in a team and you have to work around other people, and then you have to be a part among people. uh, and then what happens is this business is to be run. So when you
exactly.
want to run a business, it's just that you need to be good. So better soft skills, better the business, then you get to employ, or get to apply your technical skills, or you get to show your technical skills. So it's all about the better soft skills, the better the person is to approach for technical skills. So when you have better soft skills, you get a face that this is the technical skills with a face, or you may um, have greater exposure because of both of the better
Yes,
technical
yes.
skills and better soft skills. So that helps us in our growth if when you have better soft skills.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Thank
I
you.
agree. So,
Yeah.
speaking of skill development, Dr. Mahendranath Pandey, Union Minister for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, said that skilling, upskilling, and reskilling of the India's workforce will play a crucial role in the success of the government's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. So basically, skill development is need of the hour, and the source of this news is Times of India. Yeah, so moving on to our next question. How important is it to have a team spirit or leadership skills in a company? Yeah,
See, as I mentioned before, soft skills are important because you need to work in a team, and working in a team is all about understanding each other, and that is where good soft skills part come into play. Uh, and when it happens to be in a team, working in a team is like we can say pillars of a building or pillars of a foundation. So
yes, yes,
everyone has an important role there. So when we talk about corporate world doesn't have small projects. It has huge amount of project, and it takes a lot of time to build those strong projects or those heavy projects. So it
yes,
is not a
yes,
one man's job. It definitely requires assessment, and then you you need to have good connections with your people, so that you have greater connection. You deal with them great, and then if you have
yes,
let's
yes.
say any
And
queries or
also that there are less conflicts.
this
Yeah,
yeah, and
if we are
conflicts,
together,
and
then there are less
we can
conflicts. Yeah,
I would rather say it helps in integration of the project, and then
yeah,
it helps to
absolutely.
for the project develop faster.
Yeah, yeah. Also, can you guide our viewers on time management and work ethics in a company, as these are the two main pillars?
Well, time management and work ethics in a company, I would just say when you go to a company or when you start working on a floor, you automatically feel the vibe of the ethics that is going or happening around you on the floor. So work ethics, of course, there are certain rules and regulations written, and then they are explained by you by the HR on the floor, that certain things are allowed on the floor and certain things are not allowed on the floor. So that are company specific work ethics, but common work ethics which we can say excuse me common work ethics which you can say is you see you need to be time punctual, you need to have time punctuality, or you need to be efficient. then you need to be creative enough to show your skills, and then what happens is when there is a project or when there is a task given to you, so you need to come up with, we can say, you need to be convincing enough for your manager, or whatever the requirement is it. So that requirements, or that client requirements or client specifications are met in time, and timely closure is
Yes,
very much
yes.
important for client. So
Hmm.
that fulfilling or giving the expected requirements to the client in time is very much important, because that affects the business a lot. So that
Exactly.
is what makes it important for us to have time management on floor, and completing all the
Hmm.
modules and tasks within time, and
Yes,
having
yes.
creativity and agility. You can always having both of these qualities, you can always be time efficient. And work ethics, I can say, when you work, or when you are in a company, uh, you automatically start getting the vibes, or you feel that this is the right way to be on floor, or this is the thing that should be done. Or there are, of course, everyone is a fresher at this beginning, and then you do not have certain ideas, so you should be with your experienced friends in company, or we can say colleagues, so they would definitely, being with them or working with them, they'll help you in work ethics in on the company or on the floor.
Hello? Yes, yes. Okay. So,
Hello.
bringing that to the next question, how does problem solving ability and creative skills help a company's growth? Like, why is it essential?
uh, Problem solving, what happens is, as a computer engineer, logic is very important for you,
Yes,
or
yes.
or as an engineer, or speaking of interdisciplinary engineers, you need to be uh, so providing solutions for the problem. So problem solving is very essential for an engineer, or any employee, because there are new
Absolutely.
problems every day. And what happens is, when you have problem solving skills, it helps you to in timely closure of the requirements or the modules that are given to you, because these modules are pretty complex, and then they require a lot of working on it.
Absolutely.
Moreover moreover when you have this creativity and problem solving, it helps with the client impression, because when you are creative enough, the client is kind of attached to the product and the service that is given by you, and then or by the team, as
Yes,
we are
yes.
considering team spirit. So when the team is creative, the product is creative, and then this creative product makes name, and then the client is the one with satisfied experience. So creativity leads to uh, very good business relations.
Exactly. Also, can you suggest a few things then that students can do to keep themselves productive and also less stressful during these times?
See, I
Yes.
uh, these days are very much to be productive, and
Challenging.
at this
Yeah,
time,
and
and
challenging
challenging, and
also.
then at the same time we should be less stressful as well. So uh, talking about being productive, everyone knows what to do, and how to deal with these days. But if you are uh, uh, if you are about to be in corporate world, or if you want to be in corporate world, and then being productive in that terms needs means you just need to enhance yourself in the way corporate industry works, or in the way,
Exactly.
and in any industry, however it works, you just need to enhance skills and qualities that are required by them. So being productive is what is that will pay you off at certain point of time, or that will help you
Absolutely.
in future at certain point of time. So helping or getting help at certain point of time by utilizing this time would be great if you can imbibe all the qualities that are required on floor at later point of time. So all the so working on soft skills is, as this is the session today, working on soft skills would be one of the productive thing that could be done by the students, or then working on technical skills could be one of,
Exactly.
and working on communication as well, because communication is most important nowadays, because you have, when you are working, uh, technical working is very less as compared to speaking or meetings, or how much you interact with others on the floor, because it
Yes,
is a
yes.
process where everyone grows together and everyone as a team develops a product. So
Exactly.
not just technical skills, but you need to be communicative enough, and you need to articulate your thoughts as well, so that everyone
Yes,
grows
yes.
simultaneously and the product is great, has a great outcome. And for stress
Exactly. So,
management or less stressful thoughts, I'll just suggest that I for myself, I do play games a lot, video games or whatever it is, and then I do watch some
yes,
series.
yes.
Everyone has a lot of time these days, so
Yes, yes.
that is how you
Exactly.
can manage. That is how you
Yes,
can
yes.
manage it.
Also, we can say that this is a golden opportunity and we have enough time to enhance and enrich our skills. So we should make use of
Yeah,
that. And also, I have one thing that if one wants to be less stressful, one can add up a few minutes of meditation. That also
yeah,
helps
of
a
course.
lot of students. So one can do that also. And apart from that, one can enjoy their favorite web series or any shows or just go out for
Yeah,
playing. So that will be helpful. Yeah. So, okay, recently, Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, has directed officials of the Department of Industries, Commerce, IT, and Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation to keep in constant touch with the industries, and also said that quality manpower was crucial for development of industries, and suggested that necessary skills in latest technologies be imparted to the youth to give them the competitive edge in the job market. And the source of this news is the Hindu. So, yeah, that's it for today. Let us all catch up next Saturday for the seventh chapter of Saturday Trends at 5 p.m. with another interesting topic and amazing speakers. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also, I would like to thank our speaker once again for taking out time and joining with us. Until next time, stay safe, stay productive, and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you, everyone, for joining with us.